Hello and welcome to our tip number 4. Here we are going to show you some of the major and important YouTube channel settings. Many times it happens that when you are uploading a video on YouTube channel, you are not aware of few settings, or we take few settings for granted, which has a huge impact on our reach. So let us take a look at it. First of all, by logging into your YouTube ID, you can go to your channel, or you can directly go to YouTube Studio. So here in the YouTube Studio, we get many features. So first of all, we have this very important and useful feature called audio library. Here in the audio library, you can download free music and free sound effects, and you can use it in your content. The next important setting is to find out the monetization. Here under the monetization section, you can see how many subscribers you have and what is the watch time you have completed. So currently YouTube community have 72 subscribers and 25 public watch hours. What we actually need is, in order to bring our channel to monetization, then the next feature is subtitles. Here the next important feature is subtitles. In the comment section, here you can see a big blue box of turn on. Depending upon your preference of language or most spoken language on your channel, you can select the channel and simply click on set language. So you don't need to translate any of your audio. YouTube do it for you just for free. In the comment section, you can see subheadings like held for review and likely spam. How to manage these settings? So under the settings, you can go to permissions. You can go to community section, and here at the end of the page, you can see blocked words. So right now we can see many of the cases of cyberbullying. So by using these features of blocked words, you can avoid cyberbullying to some extent on your channel. So blocked words allow you to select words which you don't wish to see on your channel in the comment section. It allows you to block the links as well. So people who are uploading or who are commenting with hashtags or hyperlinks, even if they click on the enter button, those links will not get uploaded on your channel. So this is how you can avoid those words or the harsh language which some of the people, some of the users use. Under the permission section, it's a very basic setting. In upload default, this is one of the feature which saves your time. You can here edit your title depending upon the content. If your content doesn't keep much changing or it is on the same topic, you can keep your title as it is. Same for the description section. If you don't want to change your descriptions, you can simply put it here, so whenever you're uploading your video, it gets uploaded with the same description. So every time you don't have to look at your Word file, copy it from there and then upload it. So it saves a lot of time. Under visibility section, you can choose public, private, and here you can choose the tags as well. And same under the advanced settings, you can select comments like we covered. We can block words, and YouTube help us to scrutinize all the comments, to do the screening of all the comments. So here you can select the relevant option. Accordingly, all your comments can be screened. Under the channel sections, we have keyword section. Here you can upload hashtag and whatever keywords you want depending upon the content of your channel. Then in advanced settings, if you have any of your content for kids, you can select the option accordingly. If you have all the contents for adults or for both, you can accordingly select the option. Under the branding, you have an option of uploading a watermark of your logo, and you can select start time and end time of the watermark. Accordingly, the watermark will be reflected on your video. Feature and eligibility. So feature eligibility is something which gets enabled automatically once you verify your account. So verification of your account is really very important. So once you verify your account, here are the things which YouTube automatically gives you. It allows you to upload your videos for more than 15 minutes. Then you can customize the thumbnails, you can do live streaming, etc. So please verify your accounts if you haven't done it yet. And here we have general setting wherein you can select your denomination. In our case, we have selected as INR, which is Indian National Rupee. So yes, these were some of the very important settings which we all must know. Like we can download free music, we can arrange subtitles, we can have control on our comment section, we can always take advantage and save time by having a short description ready in our basic settings, and you can arrange your. Thank you so much for watching tip number 4. Please keep following our community for more exciting initiatives. VTube community, bringing creators together.